Software Spring. Presents. How to use query to calculate subtotal by group in Google Sheets. Hi folks, greetings. Welcome to this tutorial, which gives the steps to use the powerful query function to calculate subtotal by group. Please subscribe to this channel if you've not already done so. Your support means a lot to me. Thank you. Okay, for more info on query, please refer to its exclusive tutorial, whose link is given in the description. Moving forward, let's consider this data. The objective of this tutorial is to group by this column and calculate the grand subtotal for each of the common items. Let's take a look at the syntax of the query function formula. Alright, let me type the formula. First, type the equal to symbol, Q, U, E, and select query. For data, select this range, and type comma. For query, type this command. This command tells query to group data by column C, output column C, and sum and output column D. Type comma. For headers, type -1. -1, as the value for headers, tells query to figure out the number of headers by itself. Type the closing parenthesis. The final formula is. Press enter. There you go. Query has grouped similar data in column C and has returned the corresponding grand subtotal. Summary. Query is a powerful function which can be used, among others, to calculate subtotal by group. Query function formula is. That's it folks. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to this channel.